Most people are still spending 20 plus hours a week on SEO, writing briefs, researching keywords, editing articles, and manually uploading posts. We do all of that here in Software Shuffle in under 20 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact Claude AI system I built that handles my entire SEO pipeline from keyword research to publish SEO articles, fully automated. And at the end, I'm also going to help you set up this exact system on your Claude, completely free. Let's get into it. So this entire flow from SEMrush keyword research to outline to finish. All right, let's get straight into it. So I'm in my Claude over here. As you can see, I have Cowork open. Let's go to skills. Now I have a bunch of skills, all right, that I'm going to be giving away for free. But just so you know, I have this plugin created, which is the content creation engine. This is a plugin unlike any other because it's a multi-step plugin wherein it goes from researching to checking your keywords, your competitors. It checks SEMrush, it'll create an outline brief, it'll edit it, and then it's going to create a fully finished outstanding piece of content to my Cowork, and all I have to do is say run content engine. That's it. Go ahead and click on enter and it's going to run the entire thing. Now if you all want to get your hands on this plugin, which is literally going to do the research for you and is going to create the content, is going to edit for you, create it. This is going to replace writing teams and SEO teams also to a large extent. As you can see, this workflow over here, and it executes it perfectly from the research to creation of the outline, internal linking and everything. Right. So it does take a bit of time because this is high quality work, 10 to 15 minutes, and then you have a finished piece of article. So in the beginning, it's going to ask you all these questions, very well structured. So how would you like to set the target keywords? You go ahead and provide the keywords. So you want to add in the keyword over here for the blog or the landing page. I also have a calendar feature over here. So this is part of a larger content system that I've created. If you guys, if any of you are a business owner or, you know, a serious marketer, you want help with this, you'll find the link to my landing page in the description. So this is where I'm going to be setting up this entire automation engine for you on Claude for free. All right, so go through this, fill in the form, and then we could work together. That being said, let's come back to Claude and fill in the information. So I want to create a really good article on Claude skills. Okay, as my primary keyword. If you check it in SEMrush over here, you see it has a ton of volume. It is difficult. I mean, you know, it's a very broad keyword. CPC is good. And I think it looks, I wanted to cover this keyword, so I'll go ahead and cover it right now. Secondary keywords you could add, or you could skip this because Claude is automatically going to go into SEMrush and going to find secondary keywords for you. Okay, so if you don't have any, that's fine too. Any additional notes if you want to include, you could do that, you know. So once you go ahead and fill all your information over here, there's a lot because we are trying to do the best, highest quality work possible. You also might want to set your SEMrush because it's, like I said, it's going to use SEMrush. So you might want to set the country. For me, it's US. I also have this ICP document, which is very helpful. And I'll start the pipeline. Now all you have to do is chill because it's going to do everything from the keyword research to the outline to editing and everything. You can monitor this from time to time. It will ask you for certain things, you know, like you might have to give approvals. So you take a stroll, but come back and, you know, check as to everything is okay. Anything needs your approval. But that being said, it's going to run this entire outline. And you could also see SEMrush run in the background. If you see over here, it's opened SEMrush automatically. Now this is actually Claude working on SEMrush. this is Claude working. Okay, so you see it adds the keyword over there, and now it also has this little mouse thing to show that Claude is actually on it. So it's really cool. It's going to register the volume, CPC, everything that's required for this keyword. It's also going to go and search on the search results. So the SERPs is going to gather information from here as well. Now you see it's going into the top results pages and going to study these pages, the content on them, the keywords and everything. You know, all this is automatic. So you see the benefit that you're going to get when you get this outstanding plugin of mine. All right, so you see it goes into some other pages, some other websites to collect whatever information it can on this keyword that we've given it. So check this out. It's done with the research phase, and you see it went ahead and researched the top 3 competitors. People also ask questions, right? So we want that in the content as well. So we've collected 11. Reddit threads also I've mentioned. So if there are any relevant threads for this search result, currently there is not, and the keyword opportunities. So now it has all the research done, and now it's going to head to the next phase, which is building the content outline. So this is, you know, a really comprehensive workflow, a plugin that you're going to be using within Claude. All you have to do is add in the keyword, and not even the keyword. If I get this set up for you, all you have to do is sign up with my affiliate link, and then I'm going to set this up for free. And not just this, you'll also be going to getting a landing page and CRM automation. Deliver the output, and this is an article that could literally rank 1. You see we have all our metadata here, 4,700 words, and you see we have all this over here interlinked and everything. Now we did this entirely with Claude and SEMrush automation. That is exactly what this video is about. So this entire flow from SEMrush keyword research to outline to finish. Now, like I mentioned, if you'd like to get this automation, and if you're serious about getting this automation, you can get your hands on SEMrush and these other tools. Go ahead, fill in your information in this form, and I'll help you set this up.